This is Jeffrey St. Laurent with the Selling Coaching Minute for coaches wanting to transition to a full-time business. On a previous Selling Coaching Minute, episode number 126, I talked about the absolute best way of getting clients, and that's using seminars. When it comes to using seminars to get clients, it's vital that we understand why it's the best and fastest way to get them. Never underestimate the power of a live event and how it leads to new clients. It warps the process from point of meeting them to the point where they become your client, because in that amount of time that where they're listening to you, they can start to see how you work, what you do, and they can start to see themselves working with you through your information and how you can help them. Now, there's some specific ways and techniques you can use while you're giving the seminars to increase your odds of getting clients. And I want to help you with this. I did a detailed call called How to Use Seminars to Get Clients, where I go over some of these ways we can get clients and build a value for them during our events. If you want to listen to that call, go to my website, sellingcoaching.com, under the university, click the search bar, type in call 28, hit enter, and you're ready to learn.